before their babies are even born is creating new challenges in how to care for them.
The number of children born to opioid-addicted parents is skyrocketing in our area, and it's not only the babies and their families who are affected, but it's all of us who pay for the social services through charities or through tax dollars. Local 12's Jeff Hirsch shows us a push now underway to fight that problem.
Hardly a day goes by without a heroin overdose in our area.
This is an epidemic. It's beyond a crisis.
And a lot of people used to think addiction was a character issue. It's clearly a public health problem.
But at least there is bipartisan agreement that more needs to be done. Ohio's Republican Senator Rob Portman and Democratic Senator Sherrod were among those talking to 600 medical and social service providers about helping the littlest victims of the heroin tragedy, babies.
How bad is this problem?
Very bad. According to experts from Children's Hospital, since 2009, there has been an 800% increase in our area of children who have been exposed to opioid-addicted parents and a 300% increase in the number of babies who are born with opioids in their systems. That's nearly one baby born per day in our region who goes through withdrawal. And it's also tough after that.
At a year of age, 30% of the children are normal. At a year of age. That's not much. It's not much at all. We know there are a lot of behavioral issues that stem from the exposure of the fetal brain to these opioids.
If a baby is born with drugs in his or her system, or if the baby is born quote unquote clean, but the parent is still an addict, obviously there are going to be huge issues for whomever ends up with that child. But as you can see from all these agencies represented here today, help is available. Maria Sulzer works for the Lindner Center for Hope, an addiction and mental health services agency. But before getting this job, 6 years ago, she adopted the child of a drug-addicted mom.
I really learned a lot through Help Me Grow. They came into my home the first 2 years to measure developmental milestones for my son. I reached out to them. I reached out to my school district, Children's Hospital, really to see what was available to be of support to him.
Sulzer says her son is doing fine and now she is helping others.
I'm sure it was all meant to be.
Jeff Hirsch, Local 12 News.
Senator Portman was one of the authors of the Comprehensive Addiction and Recovery Act. It's a major anti-opioid measure. Senator Brown sponsoring another law to increase funding for drug addiction recovery. To learn more about the options for treatment, fighting the heroin epidemic, check out our special Hooked on Heroin section at local12.com.